Oh, see, this is something strange is going on with this AI. It's this. This is version 4 that we ran. That was actually quite good. Yeah, something weird happened there with our messaging system. We have to investigate that at some point. Okay, so version 4 looking interesting. We got a good backtest result on it, or at least positive, right, with very low drawdowns. So this version 4 backtest was actually quite interesting. It did pretty well, right? It's positive. It seemed to actually get around pretty big drawdowns quite well. So I actually like its ratio between drawdowns and total returns. However, it didn't really make that much money. What do you recommend for this thing to actually be more profitable? What symbol would you use instead? My gut says go with TQQQ, but can you do some searching, like everything you know off the strategy, research the strategy, and then search for, what other symbols would you use that you think would be more profitable than this, right? And then also, what else do you think we can make to make this thing more profitable? Right? Like, why is this thing, it's great that it's up. That's awesome. But how do we get this thing to make a heck of a lot more money? Either using leverage or, something else that you recommend here. Please do your research around the version 4 backtest that happened and do some searching and all that stuff as well. Okay, so by the way, notice that I turned on my microphone and talked to it. That's something that I actually recommend doing as well, because the more context, the more data that you give to an AI, the better it's going to do in general. So I'm a big fan of turning on voice, just talking it out and letting it go and do its thing. Okay, so listing backtest ID is complete, 3% return, rather hefty 6% max drawdown, not exactly stellar, right? It's querying our trades, retrieving our stats data, searching the web. So you see here, Gil, it's searching the web for relevant information as well. Searching again, let's see what it comes up with. And you can actually see what it searched. So basically, considering potential, okay, the search results are pointing me in a few different directions. Let's see what it said. TQQQ recommended, right? Version 4 backtest is a great step forward. It proved that the strategy logic is working, and most importantly, it stayed positive while keeping drawdowns low. However, you're right, 3% isn't explosive growth. Most people look for momentum strategy. The reason is simple. VOO is too stable. It's like trying to race a minivan. It's safe and reliable, but it won't give you that high-speed thrill. Here's my research and recommended. The best symbol for squeeze momentum, TQQQ. This is your best bet for making a heck of a lot more money since it's 3x leveraged. NVIDIA, this is currently the momentum king. That would be an interesting one to trade NVIDIA as well. Trade Bitcoin or trade QQQ. That's its recommendations. I think all solid recommendations. Those are all, I think, pretty damn good ideas. It says how to make it more profitable, the turbo plan. Add a 200-day EMA filter. Only buy when the price is above the 200-day moving average. This ensures you are only trading with the wind at your back and avoids buying a crashing market. Tighten the squeeze. Change the Keltner channel. This makes the squeeze harder to trigger, meaning the bot will fire when the market is really coiled up and ready to explode. Use leverage ETFs. So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments, so I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.